making pizza. So I don't have any pizza sauce on hand. So I am going to make my own pizza sauce with my own home canned tomato sauce. So with that, and this is a little thicker because this tomato sauce I made with Roma tomatoes. Just look how thick and beautiful that is. And it just went everywhere. That's all right. Okay, yes, that is wonderful. I'm going to turn my burner down on medium. Beautiful. That is nice and thick. I will not need, see that? I will not need to add any tomato paste to that. But what I am going to add is all my own seasonings. So, with that, let's get started. I'm going to put a good teaspoon and a half of salt in there. Okay? And I'm going to grind some fresh pepper in this. Because that's wonderful. Okay. And I'm going to put about a good tablespoon of my own blended Italian seasoning. That's got the oregano and the basil and the rosemary, all of that. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. So to that I'm going to add, let's see, about a good teaspoon of dried minced onion. You can certainly put all fresh in here if you want. And I'm going to do another good teaspoon of garlic. And last but not least, I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of sugar. Don't want to forget my oil. I'm going to add a good tablespoon of olive oil to this. Okay, and I'm just going to mix this up. I'm going to turn this down because I am going to cook this down a little bit, and it'll thicken up as it cooks down a little more. But this will be a wonderful pizza sauce. Now what I don't use, because in March we are going to start back with our family night, Tuesday night family dinners. So our first dinner is going to be a nice pizza party to celebrate the spring coming. So what I don't use tonight in our pizza, I'll store in the fridge because it'll be fine for, a couple weeks in the refrigerator. And you can even freeze it if you want, and I may even do that. But that's it. I'm going to bring this up to a good heat just before it boils, and then I'm going to turn it down and just let it simmer until it cooks down. Hey friends, I have got, I'm going to put just a dot of oil in the bottom of my pan. I'm going to get ready to put my pizza crust in here. Move it around a little bit. There, I can stretch it out really nice. I just stretch it right in my pan, and it works pretty good. Now, I don't go up the sides or nothing like that. I just want the bottom of the pan with the pizza dough in it. It's that simple. Okay. So with that, it's starting to pull away there. I'll go around here a little bit, just up the edges, just a little bit, so I have a nice little bit of crust here. Okay, see, I got that. All right. Now with that, I'm going to take some of my homemade pizza sauce. I'm just going to spread it around on here. And this is just for my husband and I, so it's just a small pizza, perfect size for the two of us. That's wonderful. Okay, so with that, I'm going to take a little bit of this cheese out. Sprinkle that around on there. There's enough there. I'm just going to put pepperoni on it. Oh, I like my pizza with mushrooms and vegetables and spinach and everything, but my husband, there ain't no way he'd eat that. And pizza's not my favoriteest thing, so I always make it the way he likes it. And then I just have a little piece, a big salad with it. But I know he likes his pepperoni, so I got enough pepperoni on there. All right. Back up there. And that's it. I'm also gonna, I know a lot of you probably don't do this, but I'm gonna put just a little bit of ground pepper on the top of that. Maybe just a little bit of cheese. Just little dots. All right, now that's it. That's how easy and simple my little pizza is here. And I got my oven heated to 500 degrees, and it's going to go in there for about 12 to 15 minutes. And then when it's done, I'll bring you back and show you how nice it looks. Okay, friends, this is done. And boy, is that beautiful. Take a look at that. Yum-o. Oh, the hubby's going to like that. Okay. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, the bottom's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to put this, I'm going to set this aside over here, and I'm going to bring you over here so you can see the pizza. And there you have it. Beautiful. Hear it? Nice and crunchy. Absolutely beautiful. He's going to love that. All right, friends. There's the beautiful pizza. Absolutely gorgeous. That's my homemade pizza dough, my homemade pizza sauce. How wonderful. And you can't get much more budget friendly than that. So there you have it. I'm going to give this to my hubby and let him enjoy dinner. Thanks for watching.